Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Tally on your MacBook. Tally is a straightforward and efficient counter application designed specifically for Mac OS. To begin, you'll want to download Tally directly from the Mac App Store. Simply search for Tally and click Get to install it. Make sure your MacBook's operating system is updated to ensure the best experience with the application. It's a quick process, taking less than 1 minute to install. Once Tally is installed, open the application. You'll see a clean interface. To create your very first counter, simply click the prominent plus icon, usually located at the bottom left. A small window will appear, prompting you to name your new Tally. Choose a clear, descriptive name. You can also set an initial value, perhaps starting at 0 or any other number you prefer. This process takes only a few seconds. Now that you have a Tally, using it is incredibly simple. To increase the count, just click the large number displayed on your Tally. Each click adds 1 to the total. If you need to decrease the count, right-click or control-click the Tally to reveal options, including decrementing. For even quicker counting, explore the keyboard shortcuts available. You can also adjust the increment step in settings, perhaps to 5 or 10. Tally offers several ways to manage and customize your counters. To rename a Tally, simply double-click its title and type a new name. If you no longer need a specific Tally, right-click it and select the Delete option. You can also easily rearrange your tallies by dragging and dropping them into your desired order. Don't forget to check the appearance settings to personalize your Tally experience with different themes and colors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.